Hey, if your POCO M8 5G won't turn on, let me quickly show you how you can fix that. First of all, just simply try to plug it in into the charger. And now just wait for reaction of your phone. In my case, I can already feel vibration and I didn't actually have to press any button because it just turns on automatically when I just plug it in. If it is not working, then you have to wait for like 5 or 10 minutes. Maybe your battery is like completely dead and you have to wait until it will actually recharge a little bit. But sometimes it's not working because the USB port is actually dirty and you cannot actually plug in the cable inside. So check if everything is fine over here. If something is broken, then it means that you have to actually clean that, or you can try to replace the charger and the cable. So there's like multiple ways. As you can see, in my case, the battery was 77%, but still it won't turn on. So there's some kind of debug in this smartphone, but I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching this video.